Hold on. Change is coming. Hold on. Change is coming your way. Hold on. Change is coming. Hold on, change is coming. Change is coming. Change is coming. If I do not know what I'm talking about, I will not come here and say it. Change is coming. Don't give up right there. Don't give up right there. Change is coming. Don't give up. It pays to hold on. It pays to hold on. Change is coming. Things can happen, but change is coming. The things will go. They're not permanent. No condition is permanent. Change is coming. Change is coming. Hold on. Riku Satala, by prophesy change now. Come your way. Change will come your way. Hallelujah.